Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bybit how to transfer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to transfer, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Bybit application and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then once logged into your account, you'll be seeing something like this on your home screen, and among the options on the bottom, simply tap on the assets on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the option that says transfer. Then once you tap on it, what you need to do is choose from spot wallet or any other wallet to example derivatives wallet. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is select the coin from USDT, BTC, etc. And once done, simply enter the amount that you want to transfer, and once that's done, you'll be getting a confirm button on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on that, and once that's done, the selected will be transferred to your selected destination. Then next is also to tap on the withdraw option directly and then choose the coin you want to withdraw. Then paste the recipient wallet address and select the call network. Then once that's done, enter the amount and complete the two-factor authentication by email confirmation and wait for blockchain confirmation, which takes few minutes to an hour depending on your network. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.